Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome my English video. Hopefully you are very fine. I am standing in front of a beautiful place. This is a very beautiful place. What you can see, everyone can see it. This is very much well. You come any new place, it's very important because we can know many things from this place. When you go any new place, you can express the scenario of the area. It's very beautiful. You can tell English. You must speak English. In this way you can learn English, I think so. Your real problem is not your grammatical or vocabulary. Your real problem is you can't speak English fluently and confidently. So to speak English fluently and confidently, I have made a good solution for you. Dear learners, audience, I think first of all, you need to speak English every day 5 sentences. Okay? And you try to speak English in front of camera. Okay? I think you will learn more and more about English matter. You can develop your English skill. Number 2, you will watch video and English movie and read newspaper. Number 3, you can learn from YouTube because YouTube is your best teacher. From YouTube you can learn English skills. Okay? And I have also many technique for learning English, what I will provide you. Okay? Every day you can learn English and speak English in front of your camera so that you will develop. I think you can see, guys, I am also a learner. You see, I am standing a very much beautiful place where I am using English. Okay, in previous time I did not speak English very well. After practicing more and more, I can speak English a little. I am not a very skillful person of English because I was born in Bangladesh. I speak English Bengali 24 hours. Few of time I can speak English in front of my students in my classes. Okay, that is very poor for me. Okay, I am learning everyday English. I am a good hardworking person. I love learning, especially English language. So every day you try to speak English. I try to improve my English myself, English skill through my listening, speaking, reading, writing. Now I express in front of English some sentences. For my practicing, it is possible. I will advise to you, every day you speak English with your teacher, friends, father, neighbor, and everywhere you want to try to speak English, because English is not our mother tongue. English is an international language. As an international language, we should practice more and more. I have come a new place. I am watching more scenery that you can you can see I am in front of a college. That is the college of Rangpur division. I have come here and I am trying to speak English to my audience, listener, learners, viewers. In this way, you can see I can develop my English speaking power. You will follow my instruction so that you can learn more and more. Thanks a lot for watching and listening my English video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.